Today it's a showdown between two of the best drones for videography. The new DJI Air 3S versus the Mavic 3 Pro. We're breaking down key features, performance, and what to consider before purchasing, helping you choose the best drone for capturing stunning aerial footage. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, or vlogger looking to take your visuals to new heights, you'll want to stick around for this one. Full specs and pricing are in this video's description. Now let's get to it. The DJI Air 3S is super portable at 724 grams, or just over 1.5 pounds. It's compact enough to fit in your bag, making it perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. While still portable, the Mavic 3 Pro is a bit heavier at 958 grams, or just over 2 pounds. But that extra weight brings more stability, especially in windy conditions. If portability is at the top of your list, go for the Air 3S. But if you need rock-solid stability for professional shoots, the Mavic 3 Pro is worth the added weight and cost. Now here's where things get interesting. The Air 3S boasts a powerful 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. The wide-angle lens captures sharp, detailed images from as close as 1.5 feet, while the telephoto lens brings distant subjects into crisp focus from as close as 10 feet away. Both cameras support high ISO ranges and fast shutter speeds, ensuring top performance in various lighting conditions. Video capabilities offer 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second and full HD slow-motion options, offering a rich 10-bit color depth in H.265 format. The system supports multiple still photo modes, MP4 format recording, and digital zoom for versatile framing. This drone is ready to handle creative demands with quality and precision, making it great for travel videos, vlogs, and entry-level filmmaking. The Mavic 3 Pro, however, is in a league of its own. It features a triple camera system, highlighted by the signature CMOS Hasselblad wide-angle camera, paired with a medium telephoto lens equivalent to 70mm, and a telephoto lens equivalent to 166mm, allowing for exceptional versatility from wide landscapes to distant zoomed-in shots. As for video, the Mavic 3 Pro supports 5.1K at up to 50 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 FPS, and 1080p at up to 200 FPS. The higher frame rates are ideal for spectacular slow-motion shots. The smooth, high-quality 60 FPS footage is ideal across multiple resolutions, making the Mavic 3 Pro a powerhouse for professional-grade video and photography. If you're just starting out, the Air 3S has all the camera power you need, but for professionals, the Mavic 3 Pro's high-end features justify the additional cost. Both drones fly up to 47 miles per hour at their maximum lateral speeds. The Air 3S has slightly faster ascent and descent speeds than the Mavic 3 Pro. The Air 3S also has a slight edge in flight time, lasting up to 45 minutes, compared to the Mavic 3 Pro's 43 minutes. That may not sound like a lot, but those extra minutes could be crucial when capturing the perfect shot. However, the Mavic 3 Pro's advanced obstacle sensing and 9 miles of video transmission make it the better choice for more complex environments, even though you sacrifice a couple of minutes of flight time. The Air 3S can fly up to a total distance of 20 miles, while the Mavic 3 Pro covers 17 miles. Although this seemingly gives the Air 3S a slight edge, the Mavic 3 Pro makes up for it with more reliable video transmission over long distances. Keep in mind, these specs are calculated in a controlled and windless environment at sea level, and, with some advanced features turned off, actual performance will vary depending on your real-world conditions. Always pay attention to reminders in the app during your flight. The Air 3S comes packed with intelligent flight modes like quick shots and focus track, making it easy to get cinematic shots with little effort. The Mavic 3 Pro ups the game with features like hyperlapse and advanced return to home, plus its obstacle sensing is more advanced. Both drones make capturing stunning shots easy, but the Mavic 3 Pro's extra features really shine in professional settings. If you're not a professional, you might not need all of those advanced features. Price-wise, the DJI Air 3S offers excellent value for casual flyers or content creators. The Mavic 3 Pro is about double the cost of the Air 3S, but worth it if you're working on high-end projects. For many, the Air 3S is plenty of drone and at a lower cost. But if you're a filmmaker or professional photographer, the Mavic 3 Pro's camera quality and features are hard to beat. Just make sure you need what you're paying for. There's a lot to consider: accessories, upgrades, and cost of extra batteries. At the end of the day, it boils down to this: If you need portability and great performance at a lower price, go for the DJI Air 3S. But if you need pro quality, advanced features, and you're okay with the higher price, the Mavic 3 Pro is the clear winner. We've packed the full specs, features, and pricing into this video's description. Let us know in the comments which drone you're leaning toward. And as always, thanks for watching.